Hi, this is Jennifer at the New Home Experts, and today we are back out at the Summerlin Trilogy by Shea Homes to take a look at another model, actually the last single-story model left that they have out here in the Summerlin Trilogy neighborhood. So let's get started right now. So if this is the first time to our channel and you want to know everything about new homes happening here in Las Vegas, please go ahead and subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you can be in the know every time we drop a new video about new homes here in Las Vegas. We do get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you looking to make a move to Las Vegas, and we look forward to helping you make your dream of living in Las Vegas a reality.
You'll actually see the Haven model. It's this one that we're going to.
Okay.
And you'll see a stage how they had it as a model upstairs. This is the two-car garage driveway.
Oh, nice. Okay. So today we are back out at the Summerlin Trilogy community. Cannot stress enough how great this location is. The 215 is literally like right down the street. You've got great shopping and dining. You're close to downtown Summerlin, close to hiking. Red Rock is really close by. Today might not be the best day to do that because it is literally, I don't know, gonna be like 120 degrees today. But on other days, it would work out great. One thing I'd like to mention, if you're interested in seeing all the amenities that are available out here, I'm going to put the link over here. We did a video about a month ago where we actually walked the clubhouse and we looked at the exercise facilities and the pool and all the amazing facilities that they have here at the Trilogy Summerlin community. We're back out because last time we were looking at the modern collection for the models. Now this home has recently been released. This is the Haven floor plan, which is single story, and this is the actual model, and this is really the only model home that they have left for this Haven floor plan. It is 1538 square feet. And this one, because it was originally the model, is priced at just a little over 732,000. It is, again, a single-story floor plan with 2 bedrooms. And I love when you walk in just how light and bright and open this is. I was just saying I actually got a light fixture really similar to this. Different colors, but very similar. Anyway, so I love the way this is done. I love these light fixtures. And this would be an opportunity to be purchasing the model from the builder, always, you know, some beautiful upgrades. And I love the way this is done. When they open up the patio like this with the dual doors that kind of just open up around the corner. I mean, just so much open space. And believe it or not, because it is really hot here, this is actually not too bad. And the fan isn't even on because it has a really nice fan right here. But I'm standing out here in the shade. Wouldn't you agree with me, my cameraman? Yes, it's not too terrible because it is essentially July. And you know, even I like the way that there's all these windows as well. So just lots of natural light, which I think is just always really nice. You've got this nice big open dining space as well. Or it could be used maybe as, you know, great room because you've got something here for your TV. And now we're gonna go take a look at the primary bedroom. Since they've moved all the furniture out, it does kind of hard to get a gauge, but this is actually a really good sized room with obviously some really nice carpet. And then here is your primary bath. Ooh, I like this shower. That's really pretty. I like all the different tile that they did. It like matches really nicely. So you've got tile and then you have the nice shower seat and of course the additional tile all the way up to the top. Really pretty. And then a decent sized closet. probably need some more closet space, but that's just me. And so then over here, I really love how open this is. I mean, especially like I said, when it's not too hot, you can just keep all of this open. And then over here on the other side, we have a secondary full bath. I love this little desk area. This is really nice. And then you have this space as well. And I would have an extra closet. So this is really one of the last models available. They have this one, which is again is priced at $732,000. They also have one that would be considered in the field that is a completed quick move-in home, and that is actually priced less. So that one, because it does not have the same level of upgrades and finish as this one, that one is priced just over $683,000. So 2 opportunities to purchase the Haven floor plan. And then other than that, you're really looking at resale out here in the Summerlin Shea Homes. So a little bit of a difference between the two. The Shea Homes Trilogy Summerlin is quite a bit smaller than the community that they're currently building out in Sunstone, which is also by Shea Homes. And we also did a video out there, so I'm over here, we'll have that video for you as well. So this is really considered almost like a companion piece to those 2 videos. Okay, so now here we are. Here's my cameraman. Come on, smile. So we're leaving the Haven, and there's another model that we are going to go look at, and that is the Apex floor plan, which is part of the Modern Collection, which is going to be right behind me. You can see it from here. And last time we toured, we did not see this model, so I'm excited to see this one. And again, these are the last opportunities for the Modern Collection out here in Shea Homes, Summerlin, and we're going to take a look at that model right now. Let's go do it. Ready, Peter? Hi, and this is Jennifer, still me, but now I just went up the elevator. I'm on the 3rd floor, as you can see, and this is the last remaining of the Apex floor plan. So this is on the top floor, and you can see, I mean, this is just absolutely amazing. I love this space. So this is the model. That's the only thing that is left. It is a little over 2,500 square feet. It is 2 bedrooms plus a den, all on this main level. And this, of course, was the model. I'm going to show you some photos as well as what it looked like when it was furnished, just to get an idea of kind of how amazing this space is. But I think probably one of my favorite things is all of this outdoor space. I mean, and today I can't stress enough, I think I probably stressed it earlier, how absolutely hot out it is today. And out up here, actually, I'm still feeling pretty cool. We've got a nice shaded balcony. It's shaded over here too. And there's a really hot breeze, so it's like a giant blow dryer. So we're gonna go back inside. Woo! That wind just picked up. But you can see how beautifully this kitchen is done. I love the light fixtures, the beautiful granite that they did. And I love this backsplash as well. You have the upgraded cabinetry. Oh, and then Peter, show them this. I mean, I look at that, how it extends all the way up to the ceiling. And then you can see as well that the ceiling is finished as well. And I love this light fixture over here, which is essentially in your foyer. So this is a beautiful model. It is really the last opportunity for this floor plan to purchase from the builder. Let's go take a look at the primary bedroom. Okay, so primary is this way. Oh, This is actually a nice closet. This is nice. It's really deep actually, and I like that you have all of these built-ins, of course, because it was the model. This would be nice to keep lots of stuff in. I really like this, and I love the dark finish. And here you have a little Juliet balcony out the back, which is nice. And like I said, I think I said last time, just right behind us is the ridges. And then, okay, this shower, and like I said, as you know, I see a lot of showers, but this shower, I mean, holy cow, look how pretty this is. This is beautiful and so intricate. I mean, I want you to show them, I mean, just look how intricate this tile is. I mean, just so beautifully done. I love that. And the flooring, and what's funny is there's a lot of different patterns going on, but it matches really nicely. I guess sort of like my dress has a lot going on, right? So beautifully decorated primary bedroom. We come back out this way, and they did a nice job in the den/study as well. You have these cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling. I mean, I don't know how you actually get anything up there, but you could put stuff up there that you never need to see again. I mean, that could be a benefit. Oh, Peter's gonna try to, oh, okay, you still can't get up there. Even my son. Okay, so here is your half bath here, which is very nice. They always seem to deck out the laundry rooms, and this is no exception. I love this backsplash, super fun. And you've got great washer and dryer already here, front loading GE. And then your secondary bedroom is right over here. And what's nice, it has its own closet and its own bathroom. So essentially this is considered an ensuite secondary bedroom. I just love the entertaining space over here. So I can just imagine in the evenings just getting like these incredible views. One thing I did not mention is if we go back out to the balcony, hopefully it's not as windy, you can actually, from this model, you can see the strip. So the strip is right, there's the one thing that's blocking us here, but you can see some of the strip down there, which is pretty amazing. And then I'm thinking at night, it probably pops nicely. So again, this is the Apex model. It's 2425 square feet, 2-bedroom plus a den, 2.5 baths, 2.5 car garage, and we are priced at $1.144. This is a great opportunity, again, if you're looking for something with some great views out here in the Summerlin 55 and over community of Trilogy. For more information on the models we looked at today, please visit those details in our blog at thenewhomeexperts.com. Thanks so much for spending some time with us today. We always appreciate it. Please make sure again to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.